7 days to relieve anxiety. Day 3, breathe away anxiety. Find a quiet place and allow your body to settle comfortably. Gently close your eyes or soften your gaze. Bring your full attention to your breath. Notice the air entering your nose. And gently leaving your body. Take a slow, deep breath in. Filling your lungs with calm. And slowly exhale, releasing tension. Again, breathe in deeply and slowly. Feel your chest expand with ease. And exhale, letting go of stress. Let your breath become smooth and steady. Each inhale brings calm into your body. Each exhale releases anxiety from your mind. Allow your shoulders to relax as you breathe out. Let your jaw soften and unclench. Feel your whole body responding to your breath. Breathing in peace. Breathing out tension. If your mind begins to wander, gently bring it back to your breath. There is nothing else you need to do. Just breathe and be present. Feel the rhythm of your breathing. Like gentle waves moving in and out. With each breath, you feel more grounded. More calm and centered. Let your breathing slow down naturally. There's no need to force anything. Just allow the breath to guide you. Notice the space between each inhale and exhale. Rest in that space for a moment. Feel the stillness within you. A place where anxiety cannot reach. Return again to your steady breath. Inhale calm and clarity. Exhale worry and tension. Allow your body to feel safe and supported. Allow your mind to quiet down. Stay here breathing gently. Let each breath anchor you in the present moment. Feel the calm growing within you. Feel the anxiety slowly fading away. You are safe, you are calm, you are present. Gently begin to deepen your breath. Bring awareness back to your body. Please subscribe, like, and share. We see you in the next video.